Welcome! Today we're exploring one of the most amazing bunkers I've ever seen here in Norway. It's an old, abandoned communications, radar, commando bunker built during the Second World War by the Germans, meant for coastal fortification. That's how it is. Sometimes you're off the first ferry, sometimes you're the last one. But wow, look at the weather, or, well, not the way I'm driving. To the left of me, it's blue skies, which is a bit of a pleasant surprise, actually, because last time I was here, it was rainy and cold, and now it's, well, it's still raining, but at least it's not that cold, and it's light, you know. So I'm now on top of a really large bunker. It housed, where I'm basically in this ring, it was a radar which controlled a large naval fortress over, I don't think we can see it from here, but over there. No, I don't think we can see it. I've seen pictures of the inside. There's also a video and actually news about it, but that's quite old, so I'm quite excited to see if it's still open and if it's possible to get in. But first we need to have some lunch, and I'm really happy about the weather. This is not the weather I was expecting. All is well that is good, all is good that is well. Something like that. Yeah, and also park the car as far as I could get. So now I've eaten lunch and I've packed into the car, and it's getting quite dirty with all the gravel roads I'm driving on. Head inside. It's hot. I did not expect this heat. As I said, the weather was supposed to be something else. I brought my jacket because it's a large facility, so I'm guessing it's quite cold inside. There's flies everywhere because it's been raining for like a year. Yeah, as I said, it's quite wet here as well, and even more flies. This looks closed. Let's try to find another way in. Okay, now we're inside. Let's start exploring. Let's not fall down there. Wow. So this was the entrance we looked at earlier. And it has toilets, sinks. It's water inside. There's the staircase downwards. Even more water, but a good blip. Strategically placed brick helped me. Oh, yeah. It's now we're under where the radar used to be. You can still hear the digging going on outside. Well, that's locked. Yeah. Staircase down. Let's first explore the other rooms. Other room. Oh, you see all the candles down there? Somebody must have had a party. So the Norwegian Defense used this facility afterwards because you can see the outlets are, I was going to say brand new, but they aren't brand new, but they are newish. Bunk beds. even more electrical wires. And you can see that somebody has lit a fire in here because whole ceiling is covered with, yeah, I'm not going to jump over that. The whole ceiling is covered with ash basically, and all the walls. That's why they closed this facility off. If I remember the news correctly, somebody dragged a whole lot of used car tires inside and lit them. Sinks. Guessing this was a water tank. Oh, the beautiful junkers. So this was the generator. 3 cylinders. Left or right? Left first. Yeah. Here was all the candles. Wood floors. I wonder what kind of room this was. I have seen a map of this facility, but the quality is so bad that I can't like make out anything else than the rooms. I can like make out the walls and where they used to be. That's it. Old stove, wood-fired stove, looks like. That's quite handy if you need to burn a lot of classified documents. In this room, yeah, burnt. It's really humid in here, so I wonder how, well, I don't really wonder how they lit the fire. I'm guessing they just used a ton of petrol. And lit the whole thing up. Nice ceiling heights. There's a bottle of cava. That's weird. So this was either petrol or a water tank or diesel for the generator. But this looks like a water heater and a washing basket of some sort. So I'm guessing it was clean water there. But then I don't know where the petrol or the diesel for the generator was. The weather turned real in the region again. So, yeah.